Hello, so we will see how to use the magic eraser tool. Basically, the eraser tool will be here. There are three types of tool. Eraser tool will simply erase the things. Background eraser will erase the background. Magic eraser tool is very useful. It will once you click on any solid background, it will delete that background. Let us see on one file. So file, open. So this file is having the white background. Actually this is the white. Okay, so to remove that background, because I cannot place this file anywhere, because it is having the white background. Okay, so for example, like if I double click the layer and unlock it, and I will take one more background layer. One second, I think. And I will fill some solid color. Okay, see, suppose I am having some background like radiant or anything else like this. Sorry, like this. So I don't want this white, right? So to quickly get rid of it, we have one tool we can remove from this magic eraser. If I take this and directly just you have to select it, it will show you the option like this. Make sure you are in the right layer and click on the white. It will remove the white like this. So this is how it will work. And another background eraser tool is there. So this simply it will erase like this. It's a eraser. Okay, it's erasing the things. Eraser tool also erase like this. Brush, whatever size or you will use, it will work according to it. Okay, like this. It's like a simply eraser. But what does the magic eraser was doing? Directly it was deleting what? So why? Because background layer was selected. But, same purpose, it's doing something like that. So if the thing is, it if we take the second tool, it's having some options. So using that we can identify the background actually. So it will giving us this tools here. We can target the background color, or we can reference the background color. Okay, let's suppose try to target. I'm holding alt key to target, and but that the layer is not selected. That is why it's not erasing the behind layer. Okay, because it's not in a selection. If we select both, I hope, but still I think it should be one layer. So let's make it one layer, merge layer, and I am instructing the Photoshop background layer that I want to delete. Oh, sorry. I want to delete No, no. Once you take this, you have to take this. You have to this tool target. Okay. To exactly remove the background. The background color is like this. It's like a kind of blue. Okay. So only blue. If I want to erase, it will only erasing the blue. See, this is the difference actually. See, if I try to delete this, it is, but sometime is taking that. But again you have to define the color. Okay, take this, define, but see, it's I mean, it's considering the white is there and not deleting the white, right? And I show him the this color is blue color. Okay, so it's only deleting the blue. See, the brush size is big, but it's not affecting the white, because we instructed it that just remove the background color. But we can say why it's also deleting white sometime, because it's mixture, it's unable to understand the color. Okay, because we use the gradient right away. So here, if the black color is solid here, if I just instruct him to use black, uh, if I, okay, so it should delete the only black, right? But it's not doing it. Let's see. Or I think we have to hold alt to reference. Okay, and then yes, so doing it right. So it's trying to understand the black and removing it, right? See, the black is removed, right? So this is how it will work. So if I want only white removal, I can again hold down the alt key. So depend on the color, it will now erasing. See, it's only erasing the white. Beautiful. So no need to work with different layers. So this is how this option works. Okay, like this. So again, so did you understand? Simply eraser will erase the things like this. Okay, and background will have some good options. Using that we can define, even target the pixels. We can even contiguous color we can target, but useful is background swatch. So if I defining it only get the black, it's erasing the black. Okay, and another tool is magic eraser. It will directly remove the whatever the solid color. If we click, it will remove that. That's it. So this is all about these erasers. Okay, hope you like that explanation. Thank you.